Hey.
Today we're going to play saxophone.
Awesome.
It's a lot easier to put together than clarinet. So.
Okay, that's good.
You're going to pick it up by the bell.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Actually, there's one step up.
Huh.
Take your neck strap. You put that on your neck.
Sure.
Alright. So it's like all the way down. Try to adjust it. Just try it a couple times, pull it up and down.
Okay.
See how it works, get the leg.
Okay.
Oh, you're just going to want to pull, yeah. That way.
Okay, okay.
Up. And down. Right.
Cool.
Keep it all the way down for now.
Can do.
You'll pick it up by the bell.
Good.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
And you see where the next step goes?
Yeah, no.
The silver ring right here.
Aha.
Put that on there. And now.
Do I have to hold on to it, or?
You want to put your hand on the bottom.
Okay.
And now adjust your
heavy.
neck strap to where it'll be a decent. Yes, it's very heavy.
Where should it rest at?
We'll talk about that once we get all the parts on.
Okay.
It's good enough to hold it in there. Alright. This is called the neck.
Okay.
Alright, it's pretty simple.
Neck.
You know, turn that screw a little bit. And then you put it in there. Can you do that?
Sure. Yeah. Listen.
I don't know why it doesn't work. There we go.
Okay.
Alright, you don't want it kind of like right there.
Just in line with the bell?
Nope, you don't want it in line actually. Move it off that way.
Okay.
Alright, and you tighten that up. How about that? There you go.
Okay.
Okay, so there's your two main parts.
Sweet. Yeah, that was easier. You're right.
And now, have your mouthpiece, you want to grab that?
Yeah.
Alright, now I'll slide that on there.
Which way faces it? The empty side or the?
That side.
Okay.
Face up.
Okay. I think a duck bill.
You always come up with the best analogies.
That's right.
Alright, so you're going to want to screw it in more.
More?
You see kind of where that dark part is?
Sure.
You want to get it
Can I
down.
sit on my lap like this?
Yeah, I can hold it for you too.
Okay, yeah. Facing down?
Yep.
Okay.
So now, for your neck strap, you're going to want it, put the saxophone up. You're going to put your hand there.
Do I hold this or do I go in here?
Or switch your hands.
Oh.
Left hand on top.
Really?
Left hand on top, yeah.
Okay.
So right down, you're going to be sitting on that back part. You're not going to want to hold it up though, because it's so heavy, right?
Yeah.
All
I'm just kind of pushing it out.
Yeah.
So it's on
So
my
you're
head.
going to hold. So put the saxophone, bring the saxophone to you, sit up. Now bring the saxophone to you. Don't move your head. Look straight at me.
It's not tight enough, yeah.
Yeah, so you need to raise the neck strap, right?
Alright, yeah, you got it. Good. How does this work?
You'll pull that part. Yeah, there
How
you
far
go.
up should I get this?
You're going to experiment. Alright, so it's a little too high, right?
Yeah.
Down.
Okay, that's pretty
Now
good.
hold it right. Right hand on bottom.
Yeah.
Alright. So,
That's not hard to me.
so there you go.
I feel like Bill Clinton.
So then bring it to you. See if that's good. So still a little bit high. You see how it hit the top of your mouth? Yeah. So you just a little bit lower. A little bit. Split the difference in that.
A little bit more up.
Yeah.
Son of a bitch.
You want it to go right in your mouth.
Yeah, probably. Alright. Mm-hmm.
All right. There you go.
Sure.
Now you got two more parts. You remember these? You remember what this is called?
Reeds.
All right. So you're gonna.
Are they the
Cut
same
out.
ones? Are you the same ones you do with clarinets or no?
Yep. You're gonna stick it in your mouth. No, use a different. It's a little bit bigger.
A little bigger?
Yeah.
Okay, so just like.
In your mouth. Yep. Get it soaked. All right. Now, get it nice and soaked, and then take it, lick the back.
Which one's the back? That one?
That's the back. Yeah.
Flat one? Okay.
All right. Now put it on your mouthpiece. Other way. Like that. Yeah. I'll just on top of it. You have to slide it down like that.
Oh.
There you go. Now remember, you want that little thumbnail showing. Same idea.
Uh-huh.
A little bit less. Right about there. Yep. All right. And then you remember what this is called? Looks a little bit different than the one you used, right?
Yeah, so I don't know.
It's called a ligature.
Ligature, yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
That's what it was.
All gonna put this on there. With this time the screw should be facing up.
Okay, yeah.
Because it's a nicer ligature.
So it should go further than that, right?
Try the other way.
Aha.
Like that way. No, not that. Not with the screw on the bottom.
Oh.
Like that. Now try it. There you go. Tighten that screw. Don't get that reed. You have the reed get a little high.
This is why I always wear brass.
So the reed's a little bit high still.
Really?
You know, we'll pull it down.
See, I grew my thumbnails out, so I don't know.
What about there? See, you can see a little bit of black over there.
Oh, you want to see the black?
Yeah, a little. On that side, you want to see a little bit of black.
Okay.
All right. So that's still hold it correctly, and then so it feels about right on your face.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So that was easy, right? A
Yeah.
lot easier than all the keys.
Once
They're all done for you, right?
Once I got it down, yeah.
All right. So your fingers on this. We talked about your right hand. You're just gonna let it hang, right? You're not pulling it up, right?
Right.
That's just there to support it, so it stays in one spot, right?
Okay, yeah.
Your fingers are gonna go on those pearls. Pretty simple.
Where? There?
Yeah, the pearls.
Hmm?
All right. And then on this hand, I want to look at it from the front. There's 4 of them, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you're gonna want one finger there. You're gonna skip 2, 3.
The pinky's just hanging out?
Pinky sits on these keys down here.
11?
Yep.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And then the pinky sits on this key right here. Okay. That makes sense?
Yeah.
All right. So for your face, it's similar to clarinet. You're and you use these muscles, right?
Uh-huh.
You're gonna move a little bit in. So that's your clarinet face.
Uh-huh.
And then you have what makes you go ahead and do a big frown. You see you're using those right there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now even farther towards your middle. And you go like this, right? You feel those muscles?
Like pinching your chin in?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's your saxophone muscles.
Is that good?
Yep, so clarinet,
Rock and roll, man.
clarinet, frown, and then saxophone. They're changed flat, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you're going to use these muscles that come out from your nose.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to want to pull those like an X. Kind of like this.
Yeah.
You feel that?
Uh-huh.
You feel that X action? Alright,
Like
so you're going to want this roll up. Same, remember we didn't bite the reed on the clarinet. That's one thing you struggled with.
Yeah.
So we don't want to bite the reed on the saxophone either. We want to let it vibrate, right?
Right.
And then you're going to put your teeth on the mouthpiece.
The top teeth touch the mouthpiece.
Alright.
Uh-huh.
And then sit up nice and tall. Alright. Now, we don't want to play. Wait, hold on. We want you to put down all your fingers.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3.
And the keys too, or no?
Yeah. 1. You don't want the pinky on that key. Right?
Yeah.
Ring finger on this one down here.
Oh.
Middle finger. Index finger.
Oh.
There
I
you go.
shifted them.
Yeah. So all those keys, and then you have this little thumb guy in the back. You see him? You want your thumb on that black rest most of the time.
Oh, I see.
So punch down him too. Alright. And then put it in your mouth.
Mm-hmm.
Put a little more mouthpiece in there. There you go. Okay.
How's that?
So you can kind of honk,
Oh
right?
gosh, is that not right?
All your fingers
It's like a
down?
duck. What do I do?
All your fingers down?
I think so.
Right.
Oh, I didn't push the keys down.
Alright, interesting. You got this guy back too?
Yeah. Oh, I didn't even know.
Alright, try it one more time. Alright, so you're blowing a whole bunch of air.
Is that good?
No.
Oh.
Not quite as much air, and make sure you get that chin flat. You're kind of like a fish.
Okay.
That X, right?
Uh-huh.
Chin flat. Okay, so there you go.
Ooh.
Did you like that sound
Is that better?
that you held out? Did you like that sound more or less than you did the first sound you made?
I don't know anymore.
Go ahead and try again. And then we'll talk about kind of how to use your air. So that wasn't... You know, stop.
not.
It's a little bit loud, but.
Is that good? Or you want to be loud, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
So when you blow your air,
Mm.
I imagine you're kind of thinking at blowing your air at me, right? Right now. You know,
Yeah.
think about blowing your air right here. So a little bit down.
Mm-hmm.
Don't punch down that key. Don't punch that key down. Oh, there you go. Yeah. A little excited there. A little excited there, right?
That was awesome.
Yeah.
Oh,
so
yeah. I blew it right down there. That was nice.
Yeah. So that helped you.
Yes. Yes.
All
That
right.
was nice.
So you got a D. That's what that note is.
Oh,
so
it's
D,
all it down?
Yeah, and your back finger.
Okay, but not the keys.
Not
Right.
the pinkies.
No,
No,
yeah.
no pinkies. No pinkies yet. So we'll go down from D,
Uh-huh.
and then you're gonna pick up a lot, and we're gonna go to C. So you're just gonna have your middle finger down
On my left hand
on
only?
your left hand.
But do I still push this one
Nope.
thumb?
Put your thumb right on that black rest. There you go.
So I'm going to play the D first and then go down to the C.
Play the C first.
Play the C first?
Yep. All those fingers up. You're good. So
Was that a C?
yeah.
Oh.
Did you see how when you blew down here, could you tell the pitch change?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Was that too sharp or was
You were higher when you didn't have it down.
Aha.
So
That conceptualization is really nice.
yeah, so it's blowing right down there. All right, so then let's try to move notes. So you got
Okay.
D,
Yeah,
and make sure that you're punching that
for D, you push that down?
thumb down, right? And then
Yeah.
D,
Well, it's releasing that up there. That's cool.
and then C.
Okay, so I'm trying to do D and C. Right.
Yep. So play your D. Blowing here the whole time, right? Yeah.
Was that it?
Yeah. So you sound pretty good now, right?
That was cool.
From your
Hey.
loud blast at the beginning. Yeah, I think you were punching down these keys down here.
I was, yeah.
Yeah. So let's talk about how to articulate,
Oh,
because
gosh.
you were just kind of going, whoa. You weren't using your
I
tongue.
thought the
were you?
keys do it, yeah.
Yeah. So your tongue. So make your saxophone right. So where does your tongue go?
Whoa.
So it should look kind of. It should be down the back. You feel how it's down the back.
Wait, behind, like, okay.
And put your tongue right behind your bottom teeth.
Okay.
Alright? And then with your tongue, you're going to want to hit the tip of that reed again, just like I'm trying that. So, you know. Yeah. Right on just the tip of your tongue on the tip of that reed.
Alright, I'm gonna play D. I'm gonna try it on there.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead and stop playing.
I gotta keep thinking about that thing there.
Yeah, definitely. Always. I'll try to remind you, but always blowing towards that.
Okay.
That's going to help you in the end.
Sure.
So now your tongue, it sounded like you were using this like.
I was, yeah.
Yeah, so try to use that very.
Just the tip?
Just the tip.
Okay.
Okay. I'll count you off and play a whole note and go da da. Can you try that?
Sure.
So 1, 2, 3. Alright, so don't lift that thumb up. That's probably what you did to get
Don't
that
lift
low
it.
enough.
Yeah.
Da, 2, 3. Yeah, so did you hear how good the articulation was
I
there?
kind of have to like put it on there a little bit before and then release it, like release my tongue.
Yeah, because you close the.
Yeah.
You go like that. With the reed.
That's kind of the opposite way. I think of it like when brass, you hit it instantly, but in the woodwind, I had to like release it for the note to start again.
There you go. Yeah.
It's kind of weird.
Okay.
Different conceptualization there.
So, Let's play a B on saxophone. We'll play 3 notes. We'll play 4 notes, and then you can play a little scale up.
Okay.
Yeah. So you got D. Show me D. Show me C. And then B is going to be, you're going to release that finger. And you'll put on that guy.
That's it.
No thumb again. So just da, da, da. Yep.
Let's try it.
Alright, so make sure, so turn it around, look at your saxophone. And then you were hitting on this one.
No.
You don't want to hit that one.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, that one. That's the C key. Yeah, so you were pressing,
What did I
you were
put?
going ba for D, you were punching on this.
What note was that?
To play a B flat, you can go like this.
Oh.
Punch down both of these. Yeah.
Ugh.
But
We're not doing
we're not doing B flat yet.
Okay.
Don't worry about that. So D, still going down here, right? Always think about here and always using your tongue, right? You weren't using your tongue. Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, let's learn one more.
Add
So
the A to it.
A. So this is show me D one more time. D. Show me C. B. And then A is right there. Keep this guy down. Second finger on this one. Don't use the third finger. Second finger right there. There you go.
Okay. So
Alright, nothing on your right hand still.
so
And
D,
no thumb.
C, B, A.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Try the A one time by itself. Go to B. So make sure you're blowing here. Right? Try A. Okay. And then, so making sure we talked about how to use our tongue, right?
Yeah.
So make sure you're using your tongue. Play it. We'll play that up and then back down. So A, B,
What tongue you?
C, D, D, C, D, A.
Alright.
And then we'll learn G when we're done.
So starting at A.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So A.
Uh-huh.
1, 2, 3. Blowing here, right?
I lost it. Okay. Yeah, sorry.
Middle finger.
Oh, I lost something.
So what do you? All right. Let's start again on the A.
I don't know what happened.
I think you're fine. I think you're just overthinking things at this point. You're not.
Probably.
All right. So we're always blowing here.
Yep.
We're using our tongue.
Alright.
And we're going. Do the fingerings. A,
Okay.
B, C, D. Right.
Yeah.
And then D, C, B, A.
Yep.
Right.
It's weird starting on the A, so let me think about it. It's these two.
Uh-huh.
Count again.
1, 2, 3. Yep. Okay, and then for G,
Was the tongue better there?
yeah, it was.
Okay.
So for the G, we're just gonna put down the third finger. So simple enough, right? So it's B, A, G.
Got it.
All right, so apply on the G. Start on the G.
Let me try it.
So sit up nice and tall. There you go. All right. So can we try that tongue?
Yeah.
Up and back down.
Sure.
So you're slurring all that.
Yeah.
Sit up nice and tall. Get your feet flat on the floor. That'll help you.
Yep. Alright.
Flat on the floor. There you go. A G.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Nice
That was
job.
awesome.
Alright, so now taking it apart. Same idea as before. We're gonna
That's
take the. Yep. I'll give you the reed case. Here you go. Put the reed.
It's all wet and gross. I need to dry it out or anything?
No, you're fine.
Do I just...
Alright, then you want to take it like this. Slide.
Oh, okay. Oh, gosh.
It's on your neck, so you don't have to really touch it. So.
Yeah, no, it's just the name of the table, but okay. Yeah.
There you go. We'll put this guy over here. Put this guy over here.
Fine, fine.
Alright, so take the mouthpiece off.
Ugh.
Put him on.
There's spit everywhere. This keeps it from getting bent.
Yeah, it keeps it nice. And
Aha.
where do you think this goes? In the case?
Right there?
Right there.
Yeah,
There you
yeah,
go. Neck off. You don't need to screw the screw anymore, it's good. Turn it and get it out.
yeah. Yeah.
Alright, so where does this one go?
Yep.
There you go. Now you take it, put it by the bell, and back in the case. Next strap off. Over here. What's up? Good job, Will.
Get at me.